Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to how to unpair and reset your Apple Watch from iPhone. So if you want to unpair and reset your Apple Watch on iPhone, you just need to watch this video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. The first thing which you need to do is that you just need to keep your Apple Watch and iPhone together. So if it is far, then you won't be able to reset or unpair it from it. So now to unpair your Apple Watch, you just need to open the My Watch app on a device. So this is the My Watch device app, and you will see various options on the bottom taskbar as well as the upper taskbar. Now you just need to click on the option of all watches at the very top right, and next to it you will see the option of I like icon. So click on it. So after clicking on it, you just need to scroll down and you will see the option of unpair Apple Watch. So you may simply click on the option of unpair Apple Watch, and you need to enter your Apple ID password to turn off the activation lock and all of it. So by doing all of it, you will be able to unpair the Apple Watch on a device. If you want to reset it, then you just need to go back to the settings icon or the general icon, and you need to scroll down until you see the option of reset. So to reset it, you may click on the option of erase Apple Watch content and setting, erase home screen layout, or reset sync data. So after, you may choose the option, you may choose any option from here, and you will be able to reset your Apple Watch. So that's it. That's how you can reset your unpair and reset your Apple Watch from iPhone. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.